Tractor Supply. It's where we're going to get our hardware. Yes. So you can go with me. We'll take a bike. You can run alongside the bike. Yeah? Huh? Yeah? Really? You do want to go? Yeah, okay. Well, let's get going. Come on, let's go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. There she is over there. Let's get going. Tractor Supply. Stop at the corner. Stop sign on the corner. Don't, what are you doing in the street? Get out of the road. Come on. Sabrina! Get out of the road! Come on! Stupid? See, now that's when you're acting stupid. Don't be stupid. Tractor Supply's over here. Over here. See? Right there. Is that what it was? Is that what it was? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Across the street. See? You know. Alright. Now, you can run wherever. We're going to get exercise for a minute. Come this way. We're on the back. This way. This way. Here comes somebody in a dune buggy getting in our movie. We got to tell them you're in our movie now, by the way, by accident. There you go. Come on. Huh? Let's go this way. Come on, follow the dune buggy. Come on. Oh, you want to go say hi to those doggies for a minute. Come on this way. Come on. You say hi later. Come on. Come on. Wait, Sabrina, wait. You wait for the leash, you know, it's part of the rules. The rules to interface with the humans, you have to have that leash on. Okay? Okay, now we can go in. We'll let the nice lady go first with the cart. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so now we got to pause it. Oh, and maybe not. Beans, you're here getting attention paid to.
What's his name?
Her.
Her?
Sabrina.
Sabrina?
Yeah. All right, we're pausing our movie right now.
Okay, yep.
Watch. Pointer. My website. ANOLDMASTERJUKZ.
Those are the only ones we have.
There's 15 in there. There's 15 digits to my website address at oldmasterjukes.com. Yeah, ANOLDMASTERJUKZ. We're gonna make a deal with Smarties, maybe get our letters on there. We can open it up and play with it and make anagrams. Anyway.
Yes.
Buy one. One for $2.
Good for hardware, Beans. Where's all the hardware in here? Aisle. Here it is. Grades 8, grade 8, of course. We don't need grade 8. Grade 5, Cap 5 screws do. Here's grade 5. We only need 4. You get a pack of 4. And you need little packs. Or we just get them out of the bin here. These would be nice right there. A little long, we don't need them that long. Galvanized to actually be the best here. Come on. This way. This way. Shorter than an inch. 3/4. I mean, it don't matter. Four of those. And then we need 4 of those. Yes, I need nuts and some washers. It'd be nice to put some block washers on them.
What kind of washers are you looking for?
I just said it. It'd be nice to put some block washers on it. I need spreader washers and block washers. So each one of these, I'll need a spreader washer for each side. That's 8 spreader washers. That's like these. And let's see, these are regular 1/4 inch, so we need to go over here 1/4 inch. Over here, nut washers and nuts. Come on, Beans. Come on. All right, right here looks like the washers. 1/4 inch washers. 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all I need. Okay. And then nuts. 1/4 nuts. That's nice. Right into my shoe.
How many do you need?
4 of those. You only need 4 nuts for 4 bolts, but you need 8 spreader washers, and then you need lock washers. At least 1 lock washer per nut. And then you have a correct assembly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. That's it.
And then you need 3 more of the...
No.
You only grabbed 1.
Oh, did I get 1? Okay.
Do you want a bag for it?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, please. And then we just put it all in a little bag. Smarty. So we want to make a deal with Tractor Supply for some advertising. Who do we actually, we got our channel, you know. And so right now anything we're saying about it is honorable mention. But what we want to do is we think, because we live so close and we do business, we've already been getting free advertising anyway, so I'm thinking this would be a great movie and advertising movie. It's a third-party placement, ad placement. And it's, you get your guys to give us a free wash for her, and I'll come in and buy product and do a wash. And when we put that video out there, I'll click the third-party ad placement thing. It would be an ad for Tractor Supply, even though I've only got 18 subscribers, and I'm gonna, I'm not getting a whole bunch of. It'll grow. See, because every day I'm producing, pumping, promoting, and it gets bigger. It takes time, and there's certain processes. There's some guys that figured out a formula, but I don't have enough money to pay for the course, so whatever I can see.
Alright. And then that should be good. You don't need anything. They weigh it up front.
Okay. Oh, that's by weight?
Yep, that's by weight.
Oh, they do it all by weight?
Mm-hmm.
So all the 1/4 inch
stuff.
stuff.
The only things that don't do by weight are like these because they have scanners. So like all this is all by weight.
Oh, but see, that's different
Right.
prices per pound.
So if you look right here,
Oh,
like all these green
230
tags,
pieces per pound. It's 390 pieces per pound.
and then if you look at this, like the greens are these, the reds are $2.49. So they're all $2.49 besides these two $3.69.
Okay, by the pound. So you buy a pound of these, that would be $2.49 a pound.
Right. And
Right.
we weigh it
Okay,
up
and
front.
so the pound is a pound is a pound. Doesn't matter. You fill it full of a bag full of it, and you weigh a pound of it, and it comes out the same.
Yep.
Very good. Very, very good. That's very brilliant. Oh, by the way, I want to mention brilliant.org. Go get an account. It's a great place to go take tests and stuff and increase your, you can take, you can study there, study anywhere on the internet, and then go to brilliant.org and test yourself. Self-study, be your own professor, like we did. Okay? Because we profess that we've studied our asses off and we know what we know. So we are a professor. Okay? Do you profess that you study your ass off and know what you know? Do you profess that? No. No? You don't know anything? Anyway, that's some funny stuff. All right, anyway, we go to the register. That's what we need to get. We'll come and get some of these for that. Oh, no. Those aren't heavy enough for that drain snake gloves. They just need to be super heavy duty pair of best rubber gloves for that. Anyway. All right, here we are at the register. There's our product. And then we've got to do an honorable mention for Ted's root beer. Teddy's root beer, artificially flavored, but they did a damn good job. Isn't that somebody's got a stereo to beat the band. They got a concert in their car. Yes, I am. Oh, did I need to be over there at that register? Okay. Look at my body, not my throat. Look at my body, not my throat. Look at my body, not my throat.